In 4 weeks.
And it is currently 10 minutes till the top of the hour. Time now for Storm Watch. I'm Lisa Moser. We're looking at the latest information that we have on Carlotta. Now, let me tell you that this tropical storm Carlotta may be a big problem for you if you have some vacation plans, maybe to Acapulco, to Wanapec. We are going to be looking at some effect. The impact that this storm is going to have the next several days right along the coastal area is going to be significant. We may be looking at some coastal flooding, certainly very heavy rainfall. And there is some hilly country very close to the coastal vicinity, so for a lot of rain to come in here the next couple of days, we could also be looking at some mudslides. So if you do have some vacation plans, headed out to Acapulco or the coastal areas of southern Mexico, you want to pay special attention to the updates on Carlotta. Again, Tropical Storm Carlotta upgraded now for today. We're looking at sustained wind at 45 miles per hour. It is moving to the northwest right now at about 12 miles per hour. The lowest estimated pressure around 1,001 millibars, and that of course is 29.56 inches of mercury. And let's take a look at the satellite imagery. You can really see that this convection has been holding together here on our satellite going back some 6 to 12 hours now. And notice how some of the convection, not really associated with the central area of the storm here, but because of the winds coming together here, meeting along the coastal area, we're already seeing some very impressive showers and some thunderstorms from Tehuantepec all the way over to Acapulco already. And since this storm is forecast to strengthen as it does take its westerly track, that's not good news. Now, already we're looking at tropical storm advisories that have been posted from Salina Cruz, Mexico, all the way over to Acapulco. And this means that conditions are likely to be inducive of tropical storm strength. So please do keep this in mind if you do have vacation plans or if you live in this area and are currently watching the Weather Channel via satellite. Taking a look now at the hurricane season for the Atlantic now, we do look for a fairly quiet June and July. Things do become more complicated as we go into August, and of course the peak season is the month of September, and then as we go through October we begin to see things subside and it gets a bit calmer during the month of November. Not totally out of the question to see some storms develop in the month of June. Certainly when we do see that occur, it's frequently in the Gulf of Mexico and out by the Caribbean Sea where the water temperatures are very, very warm. Not tropical in nature. We are looking at the Gulf of Mexico. We still have what's a remnant of circulation here with an upper level low. That upper level low is a cold core mechanism. Now, sometimes we do see cold core systems become tropical. They become warm core systems. That can happen. So we continue to watch this. Certainly that has not been the case with this system. But what this system has been doing is sending us a lot of tropical air further inland. And today in Birmingham and San Antonio and Huntsville, Alabama, we had a number of rain showers to come in. The thunder showers are slow movers because we don't have anything to really push them along. It's an air mass type activity, and so sometimes we get too much rain at one time. But we are asking for this upper level low to please bring us more rain because much of southern Georgia and southern Alabama are suffering from severe drought, so more rainfall is needed. So that's a good note with our tropical weather there. Now out towards the Atlantic Basin pretty much quiet. We do have some activity along the intertropical convergence zone, and much of Colombia, Venezuela, we have been seeing some showers as a result of that. Back home, that frontal boundary does divide the warm tropical air with some drier conditions further to the north. What a nice day we had today in Chicago, Indianapolis. We do have some changes in the making. A system coming on board by way of the Pacific Northwest will be bringing some showers and some thunderstorms overnight tonight and through tomorrow for Montana. And the Central Plains will get in on some of that action tomorrow. We'll tell you more about that as well as the thunderstorms in the mid-Atlantic next.
Buy a certified pre-owned Lexus with a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty.
Mike, it's 3 a.m.
What are you doing out there?
You won't believe you actually own one.